Daily use English sentences. The sun is hot.
The sun is hot.
The moon shines at night.
The moon shines at night.
Stars twinkle in the sky.
Stars twinkle in the sky.
Trees give us shade.
Trees give us shade.
Flowers are beautiful.
Flowers are beautiful.
The grass is green.
The grass is green.
Rain falls from the sky.
Rain falls from the sky.
Snow is white and cold.
Snow is white and cold.
The wind blows gently.
The wind blows gently.
The river flows fast.
The river flows fast.
I love my mom.
I love my mom.
My dad is strong.
My dad is strong.
I have a little sister.
I have a little sister.
My brother is funny.
My brother is funny.
We eat dinner together.
We eat dinner together.
My grandma tells me stories.
My grandma tells me stories.
My grandpa plays with me.
My grandpa plays with me.
I live with my family.
I live with my family.
We go to the park.
We go to the park.
I hug my parents.
I hug my parents.
I like apples.
I like apples.
Bananas are yellow.
Bananas are yellow.
I eat rice and curry.
I eat rice and curry.
Milk is good for health.
Milk is good for health.
Ice cream is cold and sweet.
Ice cream is cold and sweet.
I drink water every day.
I drink water every day.
Bread and butter taste good.
Bread and butter taste good.
I eat an egg for breakfast.
I eat an egg for breakfast.
I like chocolate.
I like chocolate.
Fruits are healthy.
Fruits are healthy.
I go to school daily.
I go to school daily.
My teacher is kind.
My teacher is kind.
I sit in my classroom.
I sit in my classroom.
We write in our notebooks.
We write in our notebooks.
I read my books.
I read my books.
We sing songs in school.
We sing songs in school.
The bell rings at lunchtime.
The bell rings at lunchtime.
I learn new things at school.
I learn new things at school.
My friends play with me.
My friends play with me.
I color pictures.
I color pictures.